The fifth joyful mystery is the finding in the temple. A Gospel reading from the book of Luke, chapter 2, verses 41 to 50. The parents of Jesus used to go every year to Jerusalem for the feast of the Passover. And when he was 12, they went up for the celebration, as was their custom. As they were returning at the end of the feast, the child Jesus remained behind unknown to his parents. Thinking he was in the party, they continued on their journey for a day, looking for him among their relatives and acquaintances. Not finding him, they returned to Jerusalem in search of him. On the third day, they came upon him in the temple sitting in the midst of the teachers, listening to them and asking them questions. All who heard him were amazed at his intelligence and his answers. When his parents saw him, they were astonished, and his mother said to him, "Son, why have you done this to us? You see that your father and I have been searching for you in sorrow." He said to them, "Why did you search for me? Did you not know I had to be in my father's house?" But they did not grasp what he said to them. The meditation. Recall a time in your life when you could not grasp what God was doing in your life. Do you understand His reasons now?